Hi, Jake area.
Hi, Jake area.
Let's get out of here.
Jake,
We don't want to get blamed for this street art. Oh, fascist area. They're violent around here. Get out of here. Culver City, Jake, Mad Dogs. Keep it herbal. Look at that curb. Monster curb. 3 feet. Shouts to the brick paper. The Hinano Cafe street art paper. Go to Hinano Cafe, cheeseburger, take out, call it in. Venice Beach right by the pier. The pier is closed, but the burgers are flowing. Rose taco truck flowing. Poor mom and pop, Jolly Donuts, Stan's Donuts. Good Blood, UCLA Glenn Platelet Center. Free movie passes, paid forward. Snacks, Cheez-Its, OJ, Gatorade in a can. There's Green Cloud. Pitfire. Shouts to Dwayne. Shouts to Paul. Shouts to the Honey Bear Pizza. That was a good one. Beautiful day. Planet Earth. The green turf. Shouts to Will. Shouts to Daniel. Jeff, Rage. Oh, there's some art in that box. Cool. Keep it herbal. Dogtown. Ghost Town, Clown Town. Nice trees. Nice day. Keep those eyes peeled for those UFOs. The Don knows. Super knows. Alan Watts, Carl Sagan. Stay misbehaving. Alien vibes matter. Keep it herbal. Beautiful clouds, trees, nature.